Today we're walking through GS1 or Digital Product Passport QR codes in QRStuff. QRStuff lets you create professional QR codes, customize how they look, and manage them from your account when you're signed in. A GS1 Digital Link is a smart product ID, delivering instant transparency and supply chain data, instead of a basic barcode that only scans a price. Head to QRStuff.com and open the QR code generator after logging into your account. In the list of data types, select DPP. Next, enter your global trade item number or GTIN and other details, like brand URL, product image, serial number, batch or lot number, etc. Once entered, head to the styling section of your QR code. Here, you can personalize the code's appearance by adjusting its shape, setting custom colors and gradients for the modules and corner eyes. You can even upload your company logo or a center text overlay. You can also set a background and foreground image for added visual flair. Next, move to the Setup tab to configure the advanced tracking and management settings. Give your QR code a clear name, set the desired DPI or resolution for high-quality printing, and enable features like password protection, Slack notifications for new scans, pixel settings, pause functionality, and scan limits. Click the Download button to save finished Digital Product Passport QR code in your preferred format. And that's how easy it is to create a powerful Digital Product Passport QR code using QRStuff.com. Start tracking, editing, and optimizing your campaigns today.